sitting here at Johnny's today. And I had a visitor to come by. Hey, psst, psst. You like my Blue Eddie? What are you looking at down there? That's got you all excited. There better not be nothing down there. Oh, you see the cat in the windshield. She sees my ceramic cat in the windshield. That is too cute. You better watch her. She'll get you. You gonna get up close and see what it is? Huh? Is that your new buddy? Is that your new buddy? She'll get you. You better watch her. She'll get you. Yeah, you figured out she's not real now, huh? That is too cute. Trying to get her to play with you. She don't want to play. Okay. Y'all just be friends there. Ooh, it's a beautiful day out here. But let me tell y'all, it's hot. Can you see that? 10:30 in the morning. 83 degrees. Feels like 90. When you're living in a van, that's just not doable. Normally I'm up north, but I'm heading south because I'm going to Midwest Van Builders, and Johnny is going to put me a window right here on the side of this van for ventilation and circulation. Now I'm in a campground, and the reason I'm in a campground is because of this weather, for one, and two, my generator broke and I cannot get it fixed. So I have pulled into this campground. I have a generator being shipped to me. As soon as it's shipped, I'll be able to run my air conditioner again without having to pay for a place to park. In the meantime, I'm just sitting here waiting on a delivery. I'm just going to do a simple little breakfast this morning. I have a cup of water heating in my rice cooker. When it starts to boil, I'm going to put a half a cup of the instant oats. I have butter and cane sugar, and of course I'll have my chocolate milk. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm going to add the half a cup of oats. Stir it in. And set a timer for 1 minute. And as an extra tip, you have to keep an eye on it or it will boil over and make a huge mess. Ask me how I know that. I may or may not have let that happen before. And I have a nice little bowl of oatmeal. I spent the night at this trailhead last night. There's a beautiful lake on the other side of the trees right there. And I had a neighbor. But at the beginning of this trailhead. Let me show you what's up there. Someone else is using it this morning too, but I filled up my jugs.
Normally a hose here.
It was yesterday.
It was here yesterday?
Yeah. A van life tip. Never pass up free resources. Ooh, it's a little windy out here. Right on the river for the night. What a gorgeous area to spend the night at. I am backed in, but as you can see, my van is not level. So I'm either going to have to pull in to make my head up or find some rocks that I can put under these two tires to level out my van. There's one right there that might work. Alright, I found a couple of rocks that look to be about the same height, and I'm fixing to drive up on them and see if I can level this van up a little bit. And there we go. We're on top of them. But the question is, does it look level? I believe it does. The true test is my water test. I'll do a bowl of water here. I don't know if you can see it. But it's level in the bowl. We're good. Okay, it is maintenance time. So this is my new generator. It came with a break-in oil, and it's time to change it. It says to change it at 5 hours. I believe I've run it about 5 hours. I don't know, maybe 6 hours, but it's close. So I have it sitting up on the stool because what you do is take this panel off right here. And you take this plug out right here and you tip it over and pour it into a bottle. Now the oil that came in it came in this pre-measured bottle to right there. So I have kept this bottle and measured the oil that I need to go back in here. It says that when you have oil that comes up to the second thread there, that there's enough in there. And that's what I have. And there we go. Maintenance on the generator has been done. Let's fire it up and charge up some batteries.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.